Hey Eagles! This is your video on using Pearson SuccessNet. More in particular using the lesson videos in Pearson SuccessNet that go with our Envision math program. So we're going to start from our home screen for one major reason. Most of the time you're probably using Google Chrome. However, for a successful use of Pearson SuccessNet, you actually need an alternative browser. This being that Google Chrome blocks Flash, and that is the program that is needed to run these videos. So here is Pearson SuccessNet. We're going to log right in. It may or may not come up for you with an actual login screen that you put in your credentials. But here's what my home screen looks like. It has my teaching resources. So here's my Envision Mathematics Grade 4. However, if you have not been in here, you may or may not have to load some content. So we're going to click on the arrow for your account. And if you need to add or subtract any product, you can click on this Manage Products button. And it'll give you your options. You can definitely access from multiple grade level areas. So that is the nice part. So right now I'm going to leave mine with grade level 4. And we're going to go back home. So, like I said, my main goal in this video was to share in particular about the lesson videos that Envision has to go along with their lessons. So, amongst these resources, we're going to go with the interactive digital path. And right now, my 4th graders are in topic 2. So I'm going to be clicking on this to generate and analyze patterns. And we are on lesson 2. Each of these screens, as you've seen, has this view button. This is how you're going to be accessing those videos. Most of them are pretty short and may or may not involve a few clicks. So we are going to view this video. Notice a new window pops up. Oh no, you think it's a bad thing. But here's the thing. We're going to click on this window, and it'll ask me if I still want this blocked. Of course I don't, so I'm going to allow that once. And my video will soonly load. So here's my cute little video. And like I said, they may or may not involve a few clicks. And they do talk.
Look at the picture of the house numbers on a street. On what are the houses arranged?
So this is my example of how to access the videos on Pearson SuccessNet. There is some other goodies within the Envision or Pearson SuccessNet materials. It just takes a little bit of time to dig through them. If you ever need help, definitely reach out to me. My name is Sarah Rogan at Ronald Reagan, or you can always reach out to another coworker. It has been a pleasure helping you. I hope you have a great day.